Chromatography means using um, paper and you're adding a mixture to the paper. There's a mobile phase and there's a mobile phase and stationary phase. Stationary phase means when the molecules is not moving. Mobile phase is when when the solute is moving, the solute is moving. Um, if it's attracted to the paper a lot, it moves slower. If it's highly soluble, it moves faster. Um, RF value of the solute changes depending on which solute you use. Um, the solvent also changes the RF value. So the RF value of one solute changes with different solvents used. RF value is calculated by distance moved by solute divided by distance moved by solvent. On the chromatography paper, if the substance separates, there'll be many dots. If it doesn't separate, it'll still be one dot. However, in a different situation, if there's one dot and you add different solvents and the dot remains, that means that it's a pure substance. Um, why is chromatography used? It's used to identify whether um, a substance is present in a mixture by companies. Um, what happens is the RF value of the dot, the solute, the single solute, is compared to the reference value of a solute that the company already knows. And if they match across many solvents, then we can confirm the presence of that solute. Um, if the if it only matches with certain solvents, but it's different with all the other solvents, then it's not the same solute. That's called a false positive. Um, if the solute is attracted to the paper, it moves slower. If it's highly soluble, it moves faster. Um, if it moves between a mobile phase and stationary phase, it means it's in equilibrium. Chromatography is not a chemical reaction. It is not a chemical reaction. It's a physical separation reaction. Um, chromatography is a separation technique. Um, hmm.